All right, everyone. We're here on day 4, and day 4 is beginning the introduction paragraph of our essay. So I am on the second outline that is provided, which is, in my opinion, a lot better than the first outline because this one has some suggestions here. So it gives you guys a little bit of guidance as to what exactly you're doing, in each paragraph. So I do want to point out that make sure that you are reading the information that's right above the box because it's helpful. Okay, so it'll give you reminders of what each part, what the purpose of each part is. So in our introduction, the very first thing that we want in our introduction is our hook. So our hook is the attention grabber. Okay, it can be an unusual detail, it can be a strong statement, it can be a quotation, it could be a statistic, a theoretical situation. And it has here some examples. We studied the 4 types of hooks, which were series of questions, which is what I have here. We did we practiced an anecdote, which is the short story. We practiced emotional appeal, which is appealing to people's feelings. And we've also practiced the facts, the statistics, and the quotes. Okay, so you can use any of those types of hooks to grab the attention of the reader. The purpose of the hook is to do that. You want to get the reader interested in what you're going to be writing about and connected into what you're writing about. So I did the series of questions, and if you do the series of questions, make sure that you keep it at 3 questions. Okay, so I have here, are you 12 or younger and spend more than 2 hours a day using technology? Have you thought about how this could impact your life? Would you stop if you learned that too much technology use could have negative consequences? All right, so that is, what I chose to go with. And again, because I'm on the pro side of it should be limited. I want to make sure that, when I have my hook, I'm kind of guiding my reader to my my opinion. So, and I'm getting their attention. I'm hopefully getting the reader connected in some way, okay, to what my topic is, which is technology use, putting a limit on technology use. Okay, so the second part of our introduction is the background information, which is the purpose of it is to explain or defines the prompt. Okay, um, it is basically giving background details. We're not stating like our opinion right now. We are just giving info about our topic, which is technology use for kids. So again, look at these suggestions. Its suggestion is begin with currently or at the present moment. I actually took the suggestion and began with currently. And I put currently millions of kids are spending over 2 hours a day on a device like a phone, game console, computer, or watching TV. Some say it's no big deal, but others believe it's damaging and has negative consequences. All right, so I did 2 things here. I explained introduced what my prompt is, and I talked about it. And then the other thing too is I gave some the kind of what the issue is on technology. Some people think it's not a big deal that kids are spending, so many hours on technology, but others believe it has negative consequences. So again, I didn't state my claim yet. I just kind of introduced what the conflict is. And then the last part is our thesis. So this is where we're going to state our claim. And our claim has to have 3 reasons to support it. Okay, so your thesis is made up of what you're arguing plus the 3 reasons that you're going to argue, with the third reason being the rebuttal, which we talked about on day 3. Okay, so I my thesis goes like this. Because of its negative effects, technology use should be limited to only 2 hours a day for children 12 years of age or younger, because it could lead to obesity, cause sleep problems, and cause exhaustion and stress on the brain. So again, my argument is right here. Technology use should be limited to 2 hours a day for kids who are 12 and under. and I have my three reasons underlined. So, reason one is it could lead to obesity. Reason two is it could cause sleep problems. And reason three is it could cause exhaustion and stress on the brain. Once you have all of those three boxes, completed, that's it for the intro.